Welcome to Sunday Science, Social Distancing Edition. So Sadhna, remember how we did an experiment a few days ago with apples?
Yes.
What happened to the apples?
They got brown.
They got brown. Do you know what that was called?
Oxidation.
Oxidation. Good job. So we're going to keep learning about oxidation some more. But today we have something else. What's this?
Lemon juice.
Yep, lemon.
With water.
Yep, so we have some lemon juice with a little bit of water in it, and it is fresh lemon juice. So we are going to learn about oxidation of lemon and invisible ink that we can make with lemon. So Sadhna, can you take a Q-tip and dip in it a little bit and squeeze it out so it's not too wet, and maybe write something, so and then we can, don't tell anybody what you're writing, okay? So Sadhna's writing something, and hopefully it's not visible to anybody else. So one thing you have to remember here, you have to let it dry. So that's why we have some papers that we already wrote on, and we'll show you that it's really hard to read. So Sadhna has written something. You can kind of sort of see it right now, but really difficult to see what it is. So now you have to let it dry. So we're going to let these one dry, but we have some that cannot be seen. So Sadhna did this one, and I can't tell what it is. The other ones, you might be able to tell a little bit, but they were experiments that we were trying to do first. So we have 3 of them. So we learned a little bit that when we put the letters on and wrote something, they were not visible. But how do we get those visible, and how do those relate to oxidation? Right? We still need to learn that. So lemon, when you heat it up, what do you think will happen to it? What are we learning about?
Oxidation.
Oxidation, correct. So when we heat something up, like lemon, it oxidizes and becomes dark on paper. Then we can read what it is. So I'm going to take Sadhna's paper, and you might need an adult for this because it gets really hot. So I'm going to take Sadhna's paper, I'm going to turn a burner on and try to oxidize the lemon using the burner heat. You can also use like an electric bulb or a lighter, so you can oxidize it using heat source. So we're gonna slowly heat this up, slowly heat it up. And I think we can see what Sadhna wrote. Are you ready to show them?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna turn this off, and hopefully everybody can see. Sadhna, what did you write?
Star Wars.
May the force be with you, young Padawans, and keep experimenting.